Hello everyone, thank you for stopping by my channel. Today we are going over how to create a new scene in StreamLabs OBS. Now when you first download it and open it, it comes like preloaded with default settings, or sometimes it comes blank. Now I have my display capture on so that way I can record this and it records everything you do. So just be very careful of that, like what you open, everything will be showing. Now with the display capture, you can't run it with, like if you right click, you can't run it with your graphics processor. You just have to use the default. Okay, so what you want to do is when you first get started, you're going to add a new scene. And you can name it whatever you want. And then this will be preloaded every time you open StreamLabs OBS. And then you want to go to your sources. Now the sources is here. This is everything that will be set up for you as you add it in. This is what your audience will see. Now they have your standard choices here. Your browser, you can broadcast your browser and image slideshow. Sorry, I get nervous when I do these, so I tend to either speak too fast or my words. Display capture is what I'm using, or game capture, video capture. So you just highlight which one you want to add in. You can name it, like say you want to name it after the game you're playing. Done. If you want to mess around with any of this, that's what I usually do. When I'm just getting familiar with new software, I just click into everything and I see what everything does. I recommend doing that so that way you can get used to it. I just play around with it for hours and hours until I get familiar, and then after doing it for over and over, you'll get used to it and you'll be a pro in no time. Okay, so this will happen. This will be playing right here. I don't have Daisy loaded in, so you won't be able to see it, but just remember that if you do have a processor, in order to play the games, you have to run it with your graphics processor. So just, always before you open it, run with your graphics processor and your game will be loaded in the back. Now I know it works for some and not for all. You can also run as admin. I know that works for some people with a different graphics processor in their computer. I know with my display capture, if I'm capturing my display, I can't run it with my graphics processor. I have to use the default. I might have said that already, so if I did, I'm sorry. Okay, let's get to the fun stuff. Now this is what is different about StreamLabs OBS than all the other softwares that are out there, is that you can add your alert box, your event list, your tip jar, your follower goal. Now your alert box is, you'll get a little pop-up here, right here. You won't see anything unless someone does it, like you come down here and test it. You get a little pop-up letting you know, hey, someone just subscribed. Okay, so let's add our tip jar. Now what happens is if someone donates money to you, if that's what you're looking for, it'll have a bunch of, oops, wrong one. Whenever someone donates, it'll drop change into the tip jar. And you can also go to settings. You can go to widget settings and pick whatever one you want. They have a few templates that you can choose from and preload it in there. Now your subscription goal or donation goal, add source, done. And then click done. Now this you can change. I should have did that before. Just go to widget settings. Scroll down here. And then here it'll be a list of preloaded boxes. Here we'll go to sample goal. Or maybe not. But what you do is just type in, here, let's do this. There we go. So we'll do test, do 100, starting amount. And down here you have to put the 2-digit month, 2-digit day, and the 4-digit year. And put start donation goal. And then when you go back to editor, it'll be there. And you can adjust it, put it where you want, put your setup however way you want. And however way you set it up here is how your audience will see it. And then you can add your event list. What this is it just letting your audience know who pledged money to you or who donated what. It's pretty cool. Who hosts, who follows. It'll tell you what here. Donations, subscriptions, follows, bits, hosts, redemptions. And then click done. And then you can, like the same with the banner, you can go to widget settings, customize it to how you want, and then click done. And that's basically it. That's the event box. And then here you can mess around with, your audio. It has noise reduction, which is pretty cool. Just go to filters. You can add noise suppression, noise gate compressor, and VST 2x plugin. Let's remove that and then click done. What that does is a lot of times I have my air conditioner going in the background and I forget it's on, and then I'll go back and edit my videos and notice I hear I'm like, oh my god, it's so annoying and I forgot. But what that does, it helps you filter out some of the background interference. Alright, but that's basically it. And then when you're ready, just click go live. Oh yeah, there's also, I don't know if studio mode. And then you can, when you are live, you can see all your chat here and your viewers and stuff like that, and it's pretty cool. So far, I like it. It's pretty simple. Go back to regular mode, minimize this. And that's really it. I mean, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Be sure to get to it. And then in the next video, I'll go over themes, how to use them while you're live, and how to set up, your be right back and stuff like that. I mean, you can even do that in here. You can create, for more advanced users, you can create, your be right back scene. Just click done. Go here and you can just add here. Go to image, and what that does, you can add something from your photos, and you just have a big picture that says be right back. And then you go here, done, browse. Ooh, you're gonna see all my pictures. I barely have any. We'll do this. There you go. And then, while you're live, all you gotta do is, go click on this scene, click on this, and it'll say be right back really big across the screen. If you want, set a time, like edit your picture, get your picture ready. If you know you're gonna be away for 10 minutes, just be right back in 10 minutes, anything like that. But that's basically it for now. I'll get more into that in the next episode. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you want to know anything else, just please leave a comment below and I'll be sure to get that out for you.